Salam, ni hal. Welcome to today's lessons where we will learn conversational phrases about our occupation. After watching this lesson, you will be able to talk about your job and also ask what somebody else does for a living. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases. Let's listen again with the English translation this time. So to ask what someone does, we say siz kim bulup işlisiz. What do you do? And this is a formal way to ask someone that. If you're talking to someone who you somewhat know, then you can say sin kim bulup işlisin. So the formal way is siz kim bulup işlisiz, and the informal way to ask that question is sin kim bulup işlisin. And how do we answer that question? The pattern is very simple, very similar to what we would say in English. I'm an blank occupation, right? So for example, I'm a salesperson. Min sotuche. Of course, except we don't use the verb to be in the middle. So you skip that and you just say min, I, occupation, sotuche or salesperson. And here are a few occupations that you can use in the same type of pattern. Feel free to write them down as we will need these words in our practice session following the vocabulary. O'qituvchi, teacher. O'qituvchi. Sotuvchi, salesperson. Sotuvchi. Tertip sotçusu, police officer. Tertip sotçusu. İşmeker, entrepreneur. İşmeker. Tabip, doctor. Tabip. Şefkat tutaşı, nurse. Şefkat tutaşı. Çeçtoraş, hairstylist or hairdresser. Çeçtoraş. Jitekçi, CEO or director. Jitekçi. Ressam, an artist. Ressam. Serketip, a personal assistant or a secretary. Serketip. Tăzuci, construction worker. Tăzuci. Now let's practice. Siz kim bulup işlisiz? What do you do? Min o'qituvchi. Siz kim bulup işlisiz? Min tăzuci. Siz kim bulup işlisiz? Min işmeker. Now imagine you are an artist. Do you remember how to say an artist in Tatar? Ressam. Siz kim bulup işlisiz? Now say I'm an artist in Tatar. Min ressam. Now imagine you're a hairdresser. What's a hairdresser in Tatar? Çeçtoraş. Siz kim bulup işlisiz? Now say I'm a hairdresser in Tatar. Min çeçtoraş. Now imagine you're a construction worker. Siz kim bulup işlisiz? Min tăzuci. Well done! In this lesson, you learned new occupation-related vocabulary that you can use in everyday life. You are now able to talk about your job like a native Tatar speaker. Start by practicing right now in the comments below. Tell me about your occupation. Siz kim bulup işlisiz? And lastly, like this video if it was helpful to you, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any of my future lesson videos. I will see you soon. Hoşçakalın. Mwah!